Hello guys, it's your girl Sissy again, and today's video I'm gonna be showing you guys how I create this look. I'm not gonna be too long because I tried to make this video as short as possible, trust me guys, but there's no way that I could have done it faster than that, so please be patient with me. I hope you guys will watch the video till the end because there's a lot of information that you're gonna find in this video, so please keep watching the video and don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up. If you're new to makeup, to hair and nails, please don't forget to subscribe because every week I am gonna be showing you guys new tips and new tricks to do your home things very easy. Please keep watching the video and I hope you guys will love it, and don't forget to tell me what is the next challenge that you wanna see me doing, or what you're gonna see, or anything that you have lack on, or anything that you would like to practice, and I'm gonna be happy to make the video for you guys. Please let me know in a comment what y'all think about the video, and I'll see you guys next time. And I have these eyeshadow that I ordered on Amazon. When I see them and I was so happy, but after when I start using it, I said, oh my god, you need to put a lot for the eyeshadow to show, and I don't like that. So like I said, as you can see, I've done one eye, and then I'm doing this one step by step so you guys can see what I've done. And as you can see, you have to put a lot of products for it to show. In me personally, I don't like to use a lot of products on my face. Like I like when the things is great quality, every little piece that you use, it just popped up like properly. But this one you have to put again and again, and like keep going over and over. Like I really don't like it because it doesn't stick as quick as you put it, but that's not a big deal, but I enjoy it anyway. Hope you guys will have a good time watching the video, so let's keep watching.